Okay, so the first question, if lysosomes stopped working, if they were destroyed, or, genetically maybe something was going on with that, Sariel, what would happen to the cell?
All the trash and junk would build up.
Oh yeah, trash, garbage, maybe toxins, in general waste, right? Stays in cell. And what could that do to the cell? Theoretically, if all the garbage stayed in there, Matthew, what would happen to the cell? Oh, let's give Matthew a chance there, Janet. But I appreciate the enthusiasm. What do you think, Matthew? Cell will be dirty. You get sick, and when you get sick, Janet, what do you want to add? Thanks, Matthew.
Maybe the cell will shut down.
Cell will shut down. Yeah, get sick. If your body doesn't get rid of the waste, it's going to be a problem, right? Like, when you urinate, you get rid of waste, right? That yellow stuff, that's all waste. If that stayed in your body, you got to believe that's going to kill you, right? So cell could die. Okay? Get sick and die. It would definitely be sick, right, until something came and helped with the, get those lysosomes working correctly. So you got to have your cleaner organelles. Remember, all these organelles are critical, right? And for number 2, why would the artist draw kind of a cute nucleus here with a googly eyes and a headset on? Nayeli, what could be the reason for this? Why would this artiste say to themselves, oh, I'm going to put a headset on the nucleus? What do they represent? A main part, a key player. Tells other parts what to do. You gotta be able to communicate, right? If you're a key player telling other parts what to do. Communication is key for the nucleus. And that, how can we relate that specifically to what the nucleus does? Those are all, that's all part of this, of why, specifically, what does the nucleus do? Like what's in the nucleus? Let me pull on Saul with the popsicle stick. Saul, can you expand on Nayeli's statement? Said how it communicates, it's a key player, it tells other parts what to do. What's that? Did you read the part in the book? Remember, it's all in the book. It's all in those sheets you have there. It describes the nucleus, what its role is, what it does, what's going on. Anything ring a bell there? You want help, Saul? You got it? Give some wait time. I think you're looking at lysosomes. Or maybe even vacuoles. Janet, you want to add to the nucleus? What'd you put for nucleus? You didn't have anything yet? You're still working hard? Okay. Valerie. So what specifically is the role of the nucleus? What does it do? What's in the nucleus? What molecule is the nucleus known for? Don't know. Does anybody know? A very important molecule we've talked about many times in here. Over and over again. You've read about it. You've watched videos. You have it on your paper in front of you if you brought it. Nobody wants to say? You know and you just don't want to tell me? You're embarrassed that you know? What's going on? Oh, yes. What's that? Chromosomes. Yeah, and what are chromosomes made out of? All the chromosomes. What's that magic molecule the chromosomes are made out of that makes you who you are? DNA, yeah. And DNA is used to make proteins. So when it's communicating, when it's telling other parts what to do, it's doing that because it contains all the information about how the cell functions in the DNA. And with the DNA, it's making proteins. So by making proteins, making enzymes, that's how the nucleus is running the show, directing everything. Oh, you need something? Okay, make this protein, make that protein, make this protein. Because it has the DNA, it controls that process. Okay? All right,